Welcome back to the Law Show. I'm attorney Brian Dailey, broadcasting live from high atop the Law Show studios in the Windy City, Chicago on 890 AM WLS. It's the Law Show. I am founder of the Law Show. I am a host of the Law Show, founded the Daily Law Firm. I broadcast live every single Saturday morning at 10 a.m. on 890 AM WLS in Chicago, answering all your legal questions. I'm going to be doing this for many, many years to come, and I can't tell you how much I appreciate you listeners for keeping this show going and making sure that we always have plenty of interesting calls and questions, and lots of you are becoming clients. I can't tell you how much I appreciate it. We want to hear everything that you had to say about the Law Show. We want to hear everything you have to say about us, and thanks for making us a part of the WLS family and the culture of Chicago. We're going to continue answering all your legal questions at 855-529-7469. That's 855-LAW-SHOW. I want to remind everybody that if you want to email me, you can email me questions to thelawshow.com. If you have a legal question but you don't want to go on the air, call 855-LAW-SHOW anyway and follow the prompts to leave a message. We'll get back with you. You can also tune in right now if you're nearby a computer, or you're going to be nearby a computer in the next few minutes. Tune in to thelawshow.com and click on the Watch Live link, and you'll see yours truly answering legal questions, as I do every single Saturday at 10 a.m. Here we're going to go back to the phones now. We're going to talk to Bruce. Bruce, welcome to the Law Show. Bruce. Bruce.
How about Butch?
Butch?
Yes.
Okay, I apologize, Butch. What's your question?
Okay, my question is, my mother passed away, and she had all three of us kids on the property in our land trust. Along with her passing away, there was $25,000 in credit card debt.
Okay.
Okay. There was ownership was on everything, so there was no will.
Okay.
Okay. The cars and everything had somebody else's name on it, except for the house.
Right.
Now, getting to the credit card bills was my brother claimed that was all three of us' responsibility to pay.
It's not.
In 91,
it's not.
91, my brother.
Credit card bills do not survive the death of an individual as long as nobody else is on the credit card. However, the credit card company can file a claim in probate court to become a part and a claimant on whatever assets are in the estate. So if your mother left a home unprotected in an estate, then the credit card companies may very well be able to get a part of that. Have they done that? Have they sued in your probate action?
Well, what had happened was in 91 when my father passed away, my mother had put my brother's name on the credit card to be able to use those credit cards.
Well, as long as he's not a responsible person, but merely an authorized user, then he's not responsible for them either. But it sounds like, what's the value of the credit card debt now?
The credit card debt was $25,000.
$25,000?
Yes.
Okay. It sounds like your brother may need some advice, and I actually need a little bit more information. If your brother is an authorized user, then he doesn't have responsibility. If your brother is a responsible party, then he is responsible for the debt, okay?
The family from the life insurance policies and stuff that came in, we had buried our mother, and then what was left, our brother turned around and took and paid off those credit card debts.
Well, he may not have been required to do that, and it sounds like there's more going on here. And unfortunately, I'm going to have to ask you to hold. I love answering legal questions on 890 AM WLS in the Windy City, Chicago, from high atop the Law Show studios. Unfortunately, we're out of time for the WLS segment, but the Law Show Extra continues at thelawshow.com. If you're on hold right now, stay on hold. I'll answer your questions, and you can actually even call in, and you can tune in right now at lawshow.com. Click on the Watch Live video. I want to thank very much everybody who helps us out, our engineer, and Mike, and Kevin, and Dave Scott. And, of course, I always thank the director of my inspiration, my own lovely wife, Jill Dailey, who's brought me 3 wonderful children. God bless her, and I really appreciate all she's done. And this is why we're doing this. We're doing this to help people, and everybody's helping everybody else. I'll be back next week at 10 a.m. on Saturday morning from High Top Law Show Studios. It's the Law Show. Tune in.